Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a quarantine haul. I have some planner related stuff as well as some other things that I have purchased. So we're going to get into the planner stuff first. I know I can't be the only one that has been adding things to their carts, let's make that plural, because Amazon is not the only place that's getting my money lately. So we're going to get into all of that. As far as the planner stuff, some things I did purchase myself and other things were sent to me, and you'll be seeing more of everything as time goes on. So starting off with what I purchased, cloth and paper. I've talked about it before, but Cloth and Paper is a more luxe stationery shop. They have a lot of minimal accessories, from sticky notes to planner covers to inserts, lots and lots of inserts. So I'll have all the information on Cloth and Paper down below. Also, I will link my Cloth and Paper unboxing video from back in October. That was the first subscription box that I purchased from Cloth and Paper. And I just got the May one because the sneak peeks that she's been showing has been great. Now, the thing about the Cloth and Paper subscription is that you can do month by month and skip or cancel however you want, or you can do like 3 months, and I think there's a 6-month option as well. As for what I purchased, I got this mini happy planner cover, which was $7.90. She also recently dropped the half letter cover, but I'm not even using my half letter now to even get that, but I think the half letter one's like $10. And the discs here, which are 1 inch, it's a pack of 8 that you get. So if you wanted to use these for the classic size happy planner, I believe you'd have to get 2 packs, because I think the classic happy planner is 9. So that's that. But if you were to buy 2 packs and you were to use it for the happy planner classic and then the happy planner mini, you can make a little mini notebook. You'd have enough discs. So that's cool, right? Yep. You'd have enough discs to make both notebooks. So I love this cover. You guys will be seeing this full setup coming very, very soon. My setup is not like other setups. It's not super cute. It's not it works for me. It's a lot of mix match stuff inside of here, but it works. So those are the price points for this in total. Add in shipping, it came under $30 for both of these. And I think $30 is a stretch. I think it might have been in the 20-something range, but you catch my drift. So I love this. And the thing about Cloth and Paper's covers is that they have this glass here, glass effect. And I believe there's dividers that are like this as well in that shop. And I decided to put my glass on the inside just because I don't want it to get scratched up. But I will have other cover options that I have come across that would work for the mini happy planner as well as the half letter. And I think that there may be a classic size. I know At Home with Keita has it, and Poi and Hun, and I think I saw another shop. So check down in the description box if you're looking for more than one location to get this kind of cover, because Cloth and Paper does sell out pretty frequently. Next up, I have some goodies from Fabulously Creative Designs. I am on her PR team, and I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is LAKFAB. You can save 10%, and this new collection that she has, I love. It is called the Pamper and Plan collection. So just to give you a little bit of price points, with the Pamper and Plan kit, it is $19.99, and you receive this 16-page mini sticker book. Then you also get the set of the Pamper and Plan sticker sheet. And then you get the Pamper and Plan dolls. And then you also get a set of die cuts. If you just want the sticker book by itself, it is $9.99. And there are the Pamper and Plan dolls, which are $3.99 each. And then this Me Time doll, this one is beautiful, is also $3.99. So let me give you guys a closer look. So here is the kit. I'm thinking about doing a plan with me with this one, especially this planner. I love this. My favorites out of all of these, I love the little terraniums and the stack of planners. Super cute. And then there's the dolls. I mean, look at them. And you can choose between 2 skin tones. She has dark and light. And this one is my favorite. I love this one. I can't wait to use it. This I would create like a self-care list with, so excited to use that. So super cute. This one has 6 stickers, 7, 8. So 6, 7, 8 on each sheet. As for the sticker book, let's get into it. So here is the sticker pad, sticker book, whatever you want to call it. It is 16 sheets, so you get 8 sheets and then it repeats itself. So here is sheet number 1. You get the makeup bags. I love this nail polish bottle. And then this decorative tray setup. Then this one has candles, the little, is it terranium? It's terranium, right? I believe I'm saying that right. Y'all know I could say things wrong sometimes. And then some washi tape stacks. Then here's some smaller bottles. Here's that planner setup. Lots of clips, lots of deco in this planner. Then this planner stack, more candles, perfume bottles. Oh, I love the little succulents. Those are cute. And then here's some makeup brushes. Little setup here on the tray. So you have your candle, your book, and your flowers. And then here are some phrases. There's beauty routine, petty, mani-pedi, current mood recharging, stay calm and plan, facial, get pretty, bubble bath, pamper and plan, today is going to be great, hello gorgeous, and everything is going to be okay. Then we have the little petty here. And then one of the Pamper and Plan dolls. And then the set repeats. So if you don't want to keep all of this for yourself, you can share with a friend, and not too bad for the price point of $9.99. Next up, I was sent this planner to review and share with you guys. It is from the brand Win Planners. This planner retails for around $30. You can get it on the website, but it's also available through Macy's. I will be doing a full review on this with my pros and cons. If you guys have not seen any of my planner reviews, I give you guys a full look of the planner as well as giving my pros and cons. So this review will be no different, but just to give you a sneak peek of the layout, yeah, we're gonna get into all of this, but special thanks to Win Planners for sending me this to share and review with you guys. So this video is coming very, very soon. Before I get into all the other miscellaneous things I purchased, I did want to share the freebies that I received with the cloth and paper order. So first up is this card, and it's, instead of saying sorry I'm late or sorry I didn't realize, sorry I messed up, try thank you for waiting, thank you for pointing that out, I'll fix that now. So just changing how we approach and how we respond, which is cool. And then this, which says cross this off your list, your order has arrived. I really like on the back that it's an inbox list, checklist of things that you can fill in of orders you have coming in, or if you just want to turn this into a daily checklist, you can do that. And this is a great way of using your packaging that you have and turning and giving it a functional touch. And then the other thing that I received, which I already added to my bullet journal, my Sequins bullet journal, is this. And and on the back it was just saying thank you for your purchase. But this is one of the popular items that Cloth and Paper sells, which is their page flags. And I'm using my Sequins notebook as just my quarantine journal and keeping up with everything going on. So I like to keep track of my purchases in here, and I just think this is going to be fun to look back on in the end. So that's that. Let's go ahead and jump into what I purchased from Amazon and Target and someplace else, because I just got click happy and I couldn't stop shopping. So from Amazon, I did go ahead and get a new tripod. The tripod that I had was a Polaroid one. It was plastic. One of the legs broke. It's been hanging on for dear life for months now. So I went ahead and got one that's a little more sturdy. And I also got a phone attachment if I ever want to do live videos, if you guys are interested in that. Doing IGTV, which is something I'm looking into. So had to upgrade a little bit. Every now and then you have to upgrade. If it's something you're interested in, upgrade. So not too bad. It came in around $100 or so, but it was definitely something I needed, especially when it comes to making content for you guys. I still have a little bit of playing around to do with it, but it's much more sturdy, and so far so good. I also got this water bottle. This was a late night purchase. I saw it in someone's Instagram feed and I was like, ooh, I want that. And it's aesthetically pleasing too. But the cool thing about this bottle, it's a 1 liter water bottle. You can choose between a purple color cap or a gold color. I believe I happened to get the gold before it sold out. But it has the times on the side. So on one side it's gonna have AM, the second side has PM. At the bottom it says refill, at the top it says full. Did I need it? My boyfriend told me that it was a waste of money, but to me, I wanted it. And why not be intrigued and enticed to drink your water, right? That's what I told myself when I bought it. That's what I told myself. So that's what we're gonna go with. And then also from Amazon, I got something for my godson. It's not for me, it's for him. But I got him this little ball set. His birthday is coming up, his first birthday, and it's not much you can get a 1-year-old. So I got him something that he can play with, especially with them being in the house and everything. So that's that. Moving on to Target, I ended up getting the Mike Todd Relationship Goals book. I've been watching Michael Todd on Instagram primarily. He is the pastor of the Transformation Church. You can watch the sermons online. I'll have the information linked below. But he came out with this book and I'm interested. So I purchased it on Target with shipping and using my red card. It came out to under, I would say a little over $16. When I wanted to get it off of Amazon, it wasn't in stock. So Amazon has it a little bit cheaper. I'll have both options linked for you below. Whatever tickles your fancy. But I'm interested in reading this book, and we'll see how it goes. I have been collecting books for months now. Let me just preface that and say, I have been collecting books and I'm a book collector. I need to read more, especially because I'm coming out with a book. Like I don't know. But I think that for me, sometimes I get bored when I'm reading. So I'm going to, if I get bored, I'm going to read another book. I'm going to start another book and then just go back and forth. The little girl that I babysit, she, who I miss so much because I haven't seen them in months with everything going on, but she reads multiple books throughout the week. And I'm just like, why haven't I ever tried that? So see, you can learn from any age. And then the last thing I purchased was a shirt from Tabitha Brown. If you guys are not familiar with TikTok, you might not know who Tabitha is. She's also on Instagram. But Tabitha is a vegan. She's also an actress. She's also just this phenomenal burst of energy that came through my screen, and I was here for it. And she has phrases like so like that when she's adding her ingredients. She's very animated when she's cooking. And then she has another one, because that's my business. And I've just been saying it all quarantine long. So why not get a shirt that says that's my business? And yeah, so I love it. I love it so much. So I had to get that. But that is everything that I purchased. Drag everything back in. That's everything that I got. I hope that, you know, I can slow down on buying things and just enjoy what I have. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I don't really think there's anything else that I need to buy. Not that I needed to buy much of anything. But yeah, you will be seeing an unboxing of the Cloth and Paper May subscription when I receive it. So that's gonna be coming sometime this month. But other than that, I'm gonna take it week by week and not spend. Right? Who's with me? Let me know if you're with me down in the comment section below. So that wraps it up for this video. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have down in the comment section. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to products featured, products I mentioned, all that jazz. Links to related videos, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.